Okay, for this easy delish dessert today, we're gonna be making Oreo Dream Cake. We're gonna be using some Oreos, sweetened condensed milk, Cool Whip, a chocolate cake mix. It's best if it's a fudge cake or a triple chocolate fudge cake, and this one we're doing today. And then butter. We're using 12 tablespoons of butter, and you just slice it into slices. So to get started, we're gonna take this big package of Oreos here, and we're just gonna layer them in the bottom of the pan. No certain way, just layer them all over. Make sure y'all can see all that good. There is 12 so far, so you're going to use about 24 to 30 depending on how big your pan is. I like off centering these. It's not going to be exact. It's 24 so far in my pan, so 28-ish is what I used, and a few left over for your cup of milk. Now we're gonna take this sweetened condensed milk and just drizzle it over the top. And while this is going right here, you do want to have your stove, your oven, preheating to 350 degrees. Just drizzle that all over the place. And now we're going to take this Cool Whip. It's an 8-ounce tub. And we're just gonna spoon it all over, spread it all over the top of the Oreos and the sweetened condensed milk. No expertise or anything on this, just get it all pretty even, spread out to the sides. There we go. Now we're gonna take this chocolate cake mix and cut the top off of it and just sprinkle it all around on top of that Cool Whip. If you haven't noticed, this is a version of the dump cake, which I have never seen one like this before. With Oreos and Cool Whip and all that, I've always just seen like fruits and like a peach cobbler style, but never an Oreo. Now let me spread that out evenly. You do not want to mix any of this together, just spread it out. Now the last thing we're gonna do is take this butter and layer it all over the top. as even as, just spread it out evenly. Make sure you got enough to cover all of it. Maybe some thinner slices might have helped a little bit, but I think I'm doing okay. Keeps wanting to stick to my fingers. Make sure if you love easy Delish Desserts, you check out some of our other ones. We always link a few of them at the end of the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm about like that butter, can't get it out. And now we're gonna put this in the oven and bake it for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Now this is fresh out of the oven, and if you could smell this, oh my goodness. But I do want to give one quick tip. Slicing the butter a little bit thinner helps, because I do have a couple little spots right there that didn't get butter cooked into it, which is just fine. It'll stir in just fine. You won't even notice, but that's just one little tip. Try to slice butter a little bit thinner so you get a more cover area over the cake mix.